is day 1 out of school from the coronavirus. And today we are making bird food. And woodpeckers love this. And I hope they will love it so much and eat along their gob. We're going to put the fire tree behind us. And I want to tell you that first we with 2 cups of cornmeal. Okay. 1. So we're going to add 1/2 cup of sugar and stir it up. Stir it. Hear that, guys? Yeah. Really nice. Funny. Now we're gonna add 2 cups of flour. Hey, put it in. Okay. No, just like this. No, I want to do something with my spoon. There we go. And 1 more. Now 1 cup of peanut butter. Put it in. It's hard. Let me see it. Ugh. I might have to do this part, Lulu, because it's hard. This is so sticky. Yeah, so sticky. There we go. It's hard. Yeah, it's hard. Can't break it up. Can't break it up too. Yeah, I got it here. I want to break it up. I want to help it. Break it up first, but not hard. Don't let it all come out. Oh. Oh, we're bumping into each other. There we go. This is kind of good. Yeah, I'm gonna have the bunnies over there. Yeah, they're so cute. The bunnies are so cute. Yep. There's some on my finger. Ah! Use our hands to stir this up better. Because that's gonna be hard too. Yeah. Everything would be hard, I guess. There's some chunks. We gotta we gotta squish them, right? Yeah, squish them. We don't want any chunks. Or you could just sprinkle them and then just chunks will go away.
Oh, Brock smells what you're doing.
Brock, you want a piece?
Now he's waiting for drops.
You want some, Rocky? Rocky? Oh, he likes it. Ew, it would get sticky on my hands.
Oh, he loves peanut butter.
Yeah. Here, I want to give him some. I'm not gonna.
It's for the woodpeckers.
Okay, no more. Okay, no more. Let's grab some out of here. Now 1 cup of lard. Do you guys know what lard is? I don't.
What is it?
It's like what is it called? Coconut. Yeah. Yeah, it's like a
Crisco or butter. Yeah. Only it doesn't melt.
Yeah.
When it gets hot outside.
Oh, it's so sticky. So sticky to me. I don't want to stir it. I'm gonna stir it. Now I'm gonna put this in so it maybe won't be sticky. Yeah. Okay. Finally, now it's not really out. 2 cups of oats. It was. Can you get the spoon out? Yes, sir. I'll get the sticky. Sticky. Let's get all the way at the bottom. Yeah, let's get all the way at the bottom. Oh. Wait, watch out. Ready? There we go. Now I'm not that sticky.
Now it is going to get a little sticky, girls, which is good. You want it to be sticky so it'll stick on the trees.
Yeah. Stick on the trees. So good sticky, yeah. Can I go stick it on the tree right now? No, I want to wait for. This is fun. Can I? This is actually fun.
We'll mix it all up more.
This is fun with our hands. Can I go do it? Once we're done stirring this up, we're gonna put it on a. We're gonna go up there and put it on a tree. So I'm doing it by myself now. Put on my bowl. Put more. This one's sticky enough to do a ball. I know which tree I'm gonna put it on.
You do? Okay.
That one with the leaves.
Okay.
Because leaves are sticky. Get to my hands.
Say we had to add more.
I have to add more long. We already add. Ouch. Can you help?
That would work better.
Oh, there's a hole right there.
Okay, let's see if we can get it to go in there. Oops. Stand still.
Scratched my
I think it's
skin.
because you have those slippery pajamas on. Here's some. Yeah, I have a lot on my hands too. Can't see this over here?
We did it!
Brock, you're eating the bird food. He's eating it. Look, there's a little hole, a little crack right here. Let's put it in that crack. Look.
A little crack.
There's a little crack, and we're gonna put it in there. Down here. So hold on. Here. Come on.
There's a string that I can get on and it will help it down.
Okay, we both have messy hands. And there's all these vines.
Look, they're making us trick.
Yeah.
Look. I almost fought on that rock and
Yeah.
put my
Okay.
head open.
I think we need to go in and wipe our hands off, huh?
Yeah. No.
But I'm gonna see if I can get some of this in the bowl. I don't want to waste it all. See if he'll lick your hands off for you.
Oh, go
He
Brock.
is.
Thank you, Brock.
That's a good way to clean your hands.
Yeah, that's a good way.
He likes it.
Oh, Brock, you want more?
There's a lot of.
No, Brocky. My hands. My hands are dirty. Ah, he's biting me. Ah, biting me. He thinks I'm food.
He won't hurt you though.
Trying to get it off. Okay, that's enough.
Okay, yeah, you can go wash your hands.